Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to take a photo using your MacBook. It doesn't really matter which MacBook, the Pros, the Airs, and of course even the Neo. You can actually take a photo, and once you take that photo, you can remotely use your PC to take the photo, and then the photo will be transferred over. This can be very useful in cases where you need us to quickly take a photo, but of course you do not want to go to the trouble of manipulating your phone, and you want the photo to be instantly transferred between the devices. All right, so to do it, go ahead and double tap. You can use the two fingers on the touchpad. Then of course you're going to see option here says import, and of course this is what we're going to do. We're going to actually import from your iPhone. It will also work on your iPad. So of course if you have a iPad like I have here, you can actually use it to actually do the transfer as well. All right, so what you want to do is after going to import, you're going to go here and you're going to do one of the fun. You can take a photo, you can scan a document or add a sketch. But of course, the most popular one is to take a photo. So here you go, and it shows here. You notice that the camera launch without me doing anything. You can go ahead and tap photo. As you can see, I have my plant there, and you have the option to retake, or of course you can say use photo. And of course, once you do, notice via the cloud, the photo will instantly transfer over. And of course, that photo is now available on your device. So if you go ahead and double click, there you go. That's the photo I just took, and it was instantly transferred over between the devices. All right, so that's how to do it on your iPhone. It will also work on your iPad if you have an iPad, and it's pretty easy to do. So all you gotta do is do as just shown, and you can easily snap a photo, and then you can actually use that photo. Quick photos is great if in case you need us to do a quick photo, so you can transfer them over without the additional steps. So that was useful guys. See you in the next one. Bye.